how's it going? So we are in building 9 right now, and I'm going to show you some of the new renovations we've been doing behind the courtyard and connecting to building 8. So let's check it out. So we're still on the first level. We still have our hickory chair, Jonathan Charles, but this area used to be, you know, a little bit in disarray, really bad tile. So we have the new heart pine, sort of this kind of a herringbone at a diagonal. So this is all new. Use the same wood in buildings 1 through 4, anywhere else. And this area also opens up to the new courtyard, which we've just made. So we'll be able to access buildings 9, 8 through here as well. Again, we kind of have still some of the same product we have on the first floor of 9, but we are going to concentrate on Jonathan Charles has a line called JC Edited. It's a little bit better price point, a little bit more rustic finish, doesn't have as much of the shine or glam, if you will. So that's going to be in here, but right now it's still a little bit of a mix. Hickory chair upholstery, you know, everything from a closeout. Leather ottoman, it was $21.19, now it's $14.95. And we also have a lot of new production as well. Jessica Charles leather chairs. It's kind of fun. More of that JC Edited, a little bit rustic patina. Go through here. Pie table, it's kind of fun. See if I can do it the right way. What do we got here? How does this work? Okay. I'm doing something's happening. This goes here. This goes here. I got it. And then, okay.
Keep turning it.
Keep turning. Oh, okay, I got you. There we go. That is pretty nifty. There we go. Jonathan Charles, pretty fun. All this more round, kind of, it's casual dining. Chairs look like it's Maitland Smith pieces. Probably some closeouts. And I did kind of want to show you, you can just peek through right here. We are in some construction, but we're gonna make new bathrooms. This is that little field house right up to the courtyard. So we have 2 bathrooms, little like a kitchenette, dining area, so our staging area. So if we have events at the courtyard, have a little spot, and bathrooms of course. Again, we're kind of still moving some stuff around. We always are at GreenFront, but it's looking a lot better than it was. Just to show you, got some new stairs. Sort of has that same look as the stairs in buildings 1 with that metal look, and then it goes all the way to building 8. So some people don't even know this exists, but you go through this little catwalk. So we're right in the middle of the complex. So Main Street's that way. Get Charlie's, building 7, and then we got building 8. Parking down there, and then you pretty much end up right in the English room. That's about it. So thanks for tuning in.